This video is an overview of the installation requirements of the AS-66 series steam sterilizers. Always refer to the provided technical documentations, installation drawings, and manuals for the complete list of instructions before conducting any service or maintenance operations. The sterilizer with a built-in steam generator requires a power supply system of 3-phase 400 volts and supply frequency of 50 Hz with 3-phase, neutral, protective earth, 5-conductor cable through a main breaker. The recommended values of the cross-sections of the supply cable's protection are 3 by 63 amperes or 100 amperes depending on the model, and copper conductor cross-section 5 by 16 square millimeters. The sterilizer with built-in steam generator requires demi-water source. It shall be through a reverse osmosis water supplying system, with a pressure between 1 and 6 bars and minimum flow rate of 5 liters per minute to supply the steam generator. Tap water with a pressure between 1 to 6 bars, minimum flow rate of 25 liters per minute can be used to supply the condenser and vacuum pump. The AS-66 series sterilizers are equipped with water ring vacuum pumps. After the sterilizer is installed, check the rotation direction of the vacuum pump. The red arrow indicates the correct direction of the rotation. If the direction is wrong, reverse any 2 of the 3 motor leads as indicated in the photo and recheck. To prevent damaging the vacuum pump, always check the water level in the supply water tank before testing the pump. The drainage system should consist of a floor drain with a sewer trap. It shall be resistant to water temperature of maximum 65 degrees. The sterilizer requires an oil-free compressed air system of pressure between 5 and 8 bars and flow rate of 600 normal cubic decimeters per hour. Due to large amounts of heat generated during sterilizer operation, a ventilation system is required. The system should be mounted above the sterilizer's door and the sterilizer itself. In case of two-wall mounting, the air should be extracted from the service area. The temperature in the room should not exceed 35 degrees, with 85% maximum humidity, and between 6 and 10 exchanges of air per hour should be maintained with overpressure in the sterile side. For detailed information about the different models of steam sterilizers SMS offers, please contact us or visit our website.